Hi movers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I am guiding you through 6 variations of child's pose. So if you find that you end up doing the same variation of child's pose all the time, hopefully this can help you liven up your practice. So let's make our way into a seated position, and actually, Siren, you're gonna have to move. I need my mat. Okay. So we're going to come onto our shins here and start out with a wide-kneed variation. Okay, so variation number 1 is really to open up your hips. You can touch the toes together in the back. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing with Siren there. And take the knees out wide, okay? And we're going to walk the fingertips all the way out in front of you. Slowly soften the forehead all the way down and just surrender your mind down to the mat. Okay, let's take 3 breaths here. You can even just rest your elbows down, soften the shoulders, relax your forehead. Breathing into your hips. On your next inhale, let's just draw your knees together. So maybe you want to come up onto your hands here, draw those knees together. This is a great way to support and lengthen your lower back. So knees together this time for variation number 2. We're going to walk the arms out once again, rest the chest and the belly on the thighs, and the forehead surrenders down. Try to relax your facial muscles. Feel this nice compression of your hip flexors. Let the lower spine decompress. And slowly moving into the 3rd variation, I want you to walk your fingertips as far forward as you can. Draw the palms together. You can ground down through your elbows. You're going to want to feel a stretch in your tricep here. So maybe try to wiggle the elbows a little further forward. Bow the head down to the mat and let the fingertips just fall down the back of your neck. Okay, so bow the head. Fingertips reach down the neck. And if you're not feeling enough here, you can always walk your elbows a little further forward. On your next inhale, just reach those arms out. Variation number 4 is my favorite. We're going into a little shoulder stretch. So reach that left arm forward, and we're going to weave the right arm underneath the left. Set the right shoulder down, your right temple all the way down to the mat. And there are a few variations here that you can play around with as well. This left arm can lengthen forward. It can also wrap behind your back. Good, let's inhale, reach that left arm forward. We'll just switch sides. So the right arm reaches forward, left arm weaves underneath. Good, let's reach the right arm forward. Now we're going to shift, and the left arm forward. We're going to shift the hips a little bit to the right side and walk your fingertips over to the left. So now we're going to get a nice side body stretch. Okay, and soften the forehead down. Try to relax your neck. And if you need a little more intensity, you can try to stack your right hand on top of your left. So breathing up that right side body. Inhale, walk the fingertips through center. Shift your hips a little bit to the left and walk the fingertips right. And once again, you can also stack your left hand over your right. Bow the head. Let's inhale, slowly come back to center, and we're going into our very last variation. So you choose whether you want your knees together or your knees wide, and we're going to just soften the arms down at your sides. And this is a great variation to take if your arms are really fatigued, if your shoulders, your wrists need a rest. We'll go ahead and just soften them down at the sides. And feel free to stay in any of these variations for as long as you'd like. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.